Cutting, layering, tissue culture. And BBA is not a. Every Saturday means it is obvious. What it should be there? BBA. What is BBA? Brain boosting activities. Some questions, answer, difference between MCQ, whatever is there you prepare, write down and just memorize. Okay? Your vote? What is this? Only MCQ. What are other works? Sorry? When? Why are you absent? Oh, but you have to complete work. And where is the margin? Where is margin, cutting, layering? Where is the drawing? Only writing thoroughly is okay. There must be drawing. Understood or not? Sincerity counts, eh? Now you are underlining. Why? Why didn't you iron this out also? And where are the works? Define biodiversity. What is this? And MCQ. Where are other works? Sorry? All works must be completable. And pay attention towards handwriting. Only this much work. It is already checked. Why are you showing old one? Okay. Yours? All work completed? Now we are in regeneration. What are others? What is vegetative propagation? And then, okay. Your handwriting is not improved. Why? While writing, you must not talk with anybody. Completed? What is this? Only MCQ. What are others?
Only this one.
Only that questions. And this one?
This is one.
It was checked last time only? Yes, imagine. Your? No. Oh, good. Very nice drawing is here. But handwriting also should be improved. Okay, then next. MCQ. Okay, yours? What is your? MCQ. And note? Why didn't you complete? Complete yours? What is this? MCQ. What is this? You have some questions only. Where are others? Yeah, what is that? Vegetative propagation. No, wait. And then this is note making already done. Why? And you say yourself open, I am a group. You say Madam Curie group. What is that? You are playing with something. Keep inside. Yours. Did you complete everything? Yeah. Done? Yours? What type of handwriting is this, Bob? And sheet code letter you have done. What is vegetative propagation? You have not improved your handwriting. Why didn't you improve handwriting? This one? This is you are not trying. It doesn't show that you are trying. If you have tried, you have done much more better. Why are you doing some activity? Keep it down. Next time, I don't want to see this handwriting. Handwriting is like this. Just saying, I am trying. You try yourself. What is this? And what are those vegetative propagation? What is vegetative propagation? Show me. You must show me that one. How will you complete it? Without starting that one is completed. Bring tomorrow and I'll show me. You? Did you improve handwriting? And where is that vegetative propagation? Very good. Yours? You have already done. And your handwriting was not good. Now the last many times you got. Is it improved a little bit? Again is the same thing. This handwriting is not improved. What is this? Every time we have to go behind you. Here you have written a little bit better. And again, what is this? Ivana? Study in class it and improvement is not there in handwriting. Huh? First thing, I must improve handwriting. Then you can. It's very important. You. Why do you take out all these copies here?
This is black color.
Which subject is that?
Nepali.
Oh.
This
Good. All completed. And MCQ? Done. So actually, then we go to this side. You are doing the work for your betterment. Where's the work? Sorry? When? Why? Where's the letter? Where's the letter? Where's the application letter? How to know that you are sick or not? You? Sorry? Right. And you have not improved handwriting, boy. What is this? Hey? You, what is this? The handwriting training was going with smooth style. Handwriting is just like this. Happen that? Improve. So everybody must be very attentive for first that one, and then today who are going to present? Again same group?
exercise to one group.
We given? Okay. Exercise means yeah, first who's turn?
From MCQs.
Yeah, who is going to do? Okay. Tenzin, only Tenzin? Okay, Tenzin's group. Come here, Tenzin. Don't know what to be there. Did you send your email or not? Tenzin. Who? No, saying others doesn't matter. Right? One to another. What is your name? You say to Eric, where is Eric? Eric is absent today. When? Why? When did he send? This Friday. Friday means Rakshak, Luniba, Nidisa. No noise. You, Sneha. What is your name? Eric. E-R-I-T. A-R-I-C. Okay, yeah. Sample question 9 August 19 years sent. BBA August 19. Course 8 first August May 13. Only 3 emails are sent. He hasn't sent the email. He's absent also. Oh, where? Only saying means it must come here, no? This is exam Anupam Bhadra. He didn't say, so your group will get another work today. Those who do not submit the work, whereby you involvement you catch. See, madam? Those who do not do their work regularly, they will get another work as a mock. Remember, those who are not improving in writing, they will also get another work. Now, I don't want to see very hopeless in writing. Go. So, his presentation will be next day. Next one. Next group. Yours? Who has prepared? What is the name? Sarvani. S-A-R-V-A. Quiz Q&A? Okay. Q&A, Sarvani Gautam. Is there? Oh, Hawkins, sure. See? Hawkins PPTC has done. Look at here. So do make light at your presentation, right? Which group you belong to? Be proud of your group. So she said there is PPT. Let me download. So who is going to present?
Unish.
Unish is going to present? Okay, Unish, please come here. Unish is going to present. So, or 2 person if they come is better. Question and answer, okay? One person will read question, another person will read answer. Yeah. You are going to read question. Who is doing it? You? Answer? Sorry? No. Not like that. One will read question, another will answer.
Yes.
Who will read question?
I will.
You read answer? Okay. Alright. Now silent. Slowly. Okay. Please start now.
Difference between budding and fragmentation. Budding, first point, a form of asexual reproduction where a new organism develops from a bud on the parent. Fragmentation, first point, a form of asexual reproduction where an organism splits into fragmentation, each forming a new individual. A small budding, second point, a small outgrowth of or bud forms on the parent organism and grows by mitosis until it detaches.
Fragmentation, the parent organism breaks into distinct pieces, each capable of growing into a complete organism.
Budding, third point, the new organism is usually smaller and forms on a specific site on the site of the parent.
The parent breaks into pieces of smaller size, similar size.
Next one.
Cutting, a method of asexual plant propagation where a portion of a plant stem, leaf, or root is cut and planted to grow a new plant.
A method of asexual propagation where plant cells, tissues, and organs are cultured in a sterile environment or a nutrient medium.
Cutting uses plant parts such as stems, leaves, or roots.
Tissue culture uses cells, tissues, or small explants from any part of the plant, like meristems, leaves, and embryos.
Cutting is usually done in soil or water in non-sterile natural conditions.
Tissue culture requires a sterile, controlled laboratory environment with a specific nutrient medium.
Oh.
Layering, a method of asexual propagation where a branch or stem is bent to the ground and covered with soil to encourage root development while still attached to the parent plant.
A method of asexual propagation where tissues from one plant cycle are inserted into another plant rootstock so that they grow together as one plant.
Layering, the new plant remains attached to the parent plant until it develops sufficient roots to survive independently.
The cycon and rootstocks are detached and combined, requiring them to be compatible for such grafting.
Layering is used primarily for plants that naturally produce roots on their stems, such as vines and shrubs.
Grafting is used for fruit trees, ornamental plants, and plants that are difficult to propagate by other means.
A form of asexual reproduction where a single parent cell divides into two equal and identical daughter cells. Common in prokaryotic organisms like bacteria and some single-cell eukaryotes such as amoebas.
A form of asexual reproduction where a single parent cell divides into a multiple daughter cells simultaneously. Common in common in certain protozoa such as Plasmodium, the malaria parasites, and some algae.
The cell undergoes DNA replication followed by cytokinesis, resulting in two cells.
The cell undergoes multiple rounds of nuclear division without immediate cytokinesis, forming several nuclei before the cell divides. Binary fission and multiplication.
Binary fission and multiplication.
Question answers.
Question and answer. First, define reproduction.
Reproduction is a biological process by which living organisms produce new individuals of offspring of the same species. Give the name of two animals which reproduce sexually.
The name of two animals which reproduce sexually are hen and goat. What is cycon?
A cycon is a young shoot of twig of a plant that is selected and used for grafting onto the rootstock of another plant.
What is grafting?
Grafting is a horticultural technique used to join parts from two different plants so that they grow as a single plant.
Ow, who is there? Hawkins is there, right?
Yes.
One of the greatest scientists of this century. Thank you very much, Hawkins Group. It was prepared by Sarvani, right? Prepared by Sarvani, and Hawkins is also laughing. He's very happy. So, two things they have done. One is uh, differentiate between some difference between, not all, and some question answers. Give them a big round of applause. Oh my God! Now one more presentation can be done, right? One more presentation will be from which group? Which one? Oppenheimer. Now next one is of Oppenheimer's group. Okay, Oppenheimer. Presenter, please come here. What is the file name? Rakshak Rana Magar? Rakshak, please come here. Who is going to present and who is going to read question answer? I think if two persons come, that also will be quite better. Okay, you choose yourself. Rakshak. Alone? Okay. If you want to do alone, no problem. If you want there. Without you want to do alone, it's okay. But in my opinion, it's better to do. So I will not do anything around.
Namaskar and good morning to all, respected Vice Sir and my dear friends. As you all know, it's me, Rakshak Rana Magar from Group Stephen Hawking's. Yeah, I mean, Oppenheimer. Oppenheimer accident. Now I will present about the question answers of science lesson 5. The first question answer is, what are the conditions required for tissue culture? Answer: the conditions required for tissue culture are control conditions, very good knowledge of the technology. As you know, tissue culture is a artificial vegetative propagation method, and it needs control conditions to grow a new plant. Oh, okay. F. Define fission. Answer: fission is the simplest method of reproduction in which is done by the simplest organisms. In this method, a unicellular organisms divides into new organisms. G number. Mention the types of vegetative propagation. The types of vegetative propagation are as follows: natural vegetative propagation, and the examples of natural vegetative propagation are vegetative propagation by root, vegetative propagation by stem, and vegetative propagation by leaf. The next vegetative propagation is artificial vegetative propagation. The examples of artificial vegetative propagation are cutting, layering, grafting, and tissue culture. As number, mention the types of layering. The types of layering are as follows: air layering, simple layering, tip layering, and compound layering. Define callus. The process of a piece growing into a plant masses through tissue culture is called callus. J number. Define dispersal of seeds. The process in which the seeds are transported to a new place through the help of wind to germinate and make new plants is called dispersal of seeds. Yeah. Oh yes. What is vegetative propagation? What is vegetative propagation? Vegetative propagation is the formation of new plants from their vegetative parts like leaves, stems, and roots. Finish.
Okay, thank you very much. Remaining presentation will be done next day. So, will you start doing your work now? MCQ, differentiate between, and very short question answers that must be completed today. Is that clear? Understood or not? So, your action must be up to date. Start now.